to get you, Ellie. Don't get too close, Ellie. Don't get too close. Ellie, look at Daddy.
I thought you were going to give him a kiss. Uh-uh.
I'm gonna hit you.
No. He'll bite you.